Okay, what's up there, YouTube? I'm just showing my latest Craigslist score. I've been watching this thing now on Craigslist for about 2.5 weeks. Finally had the money to go pick it up. What you're looking at here is a mobile air compressor. That's a 12.5 Kohler Pro engine on it, 30-gallon tank, 175 psi, and it pumps up 27 cubic feet a minute. And I needed an air compressor that made a whole lot of air volume, because the one I've got over here, my little Campbell Housefeld, which runs great. I can run it on solar, but it only puts out like 6 cubic feet at 90 pounds. It's not going to do anything I need it to do. So anyway, I got this Friday, and I got it for 400 bucks with a fairly new battery. These things sell for $2,600 new, plus tax and shipping. Needs a head gasket. The throttle control is missing completely. Probably going to put a new unloader valve on it. I may do a new piston and rings on it. I don't know. It's not smoking, but it's got a lot of blow-by. It's showing 2,000 hours on the meter, and that's been unplugged. But it runs and fires up and pumps air like crazy. So it's going to get noisy. I'm going to fire it up for you real quick. One-handed. Okay, I told you it was going to get noisy. Anyway, that was my latest Craigslist score. I got that Friday morning in the pouring rain. Brought it back to the house in the pouring rain. It rained all day yesterday. And finally today, we've got a fairly decent day. I got about 10 more big logs over there to clean up. So I took it out of the truck today with my little tractor and a bunch of straps. I'd be lost without that tractor. I couldn't get nothing done. So anyway, there's my Craigslist score. I've been looking for one now for about 6 months. I have to do a complete and total restoration on a 92 Ford for my neighbor. That was the deal for him doing all the construction work here. I'm going to redo his truck, and I need a big air compressor to do that. So that'll be later on in the summertime. Okay, that's it. There's my Craigslist air compressor. That thing's a beast, weighs about 500 pounds plus for 400 bucks, so I'm a happy guy. So if you need stuff, just be patient and it'll fall into your lap eventually. All right, that's it for me. Over and out.